Welcome, my name's Carlos, and my partner Raf and I will be showing you how to use Snort today. Alrighty, so today we're going to be talking about Snort. For those of you guys who do not know what Snort is, it is a free app that was created by Martin Rosich and developed by Cisco Systems. So Snort is a completely free to use app, and it is a network intrusion detection system. So what happens is you configure this app to your network, and it tracks all the packages going in and out of your network, and it alerts you if there are any intrusions on your network. So in this video we're going to let you know how to download it and how to use it. So let's get into it.
How to download Snort. First, click the link below to download Snort for free. Once you click the link, it'll take you to this page here, and what you want to do is you want to go to downloads and click Snort, and it'll take you to this page right here, and this is the file you want. And since I already downloaded Snort, I'm not going to be re-downloading it, but this is the file you're going to want to click. And you're also going to want to download the rules for Snort, which are right here, and you're going to want to download the right version. So the version up here was 29.13, and the rules here 29.13. This is the file you're going to want. Okay. Once you've downloaded Snort, you're going to want to open it up in your file explorer, and wherever you downloaded it, it's going to be here for me in my C drive. And open up the rules, and there shouldn't be anything here, but since I've already downloaded it, there are already rules in here. So the next step is you're going to want to find your rules file, right click it, and the application that I use to open this is 7-zip. So open archive, click on this, wait for it to load them up, go to rules, and this is where all your rules are going to be. So you're just going to want to take all of these and put them into the rules file. And you're also going to want to update your pre-proc rules. It already has the pre-proc rules in the download, but these are newer versions. Alright, now that you have your rules and pre-proc rules in your files, the next thing you're going to want to do is go to your Snort config. So go to your Snort file, go to etc, go to snort.config, and you're going to want to open this with Notepad. Once you open the snort.config file, you're going to want to scroll down to where it says HomeNet, and you're going to want to change it from any to 192.168.0.0/16, and from there you want to scroll down until you get to this section right here where you want to comment this line right here and change the pathways for the rules, just like this. And then you want to go down here and edit the pathways again for your blacklist and whitelist, and then from there scroll down, and here you're going to want to take out the comment for the config log directory, and then change the pathway. And the reason you're changing the pathway is because Snort was originally built for Unix, but since we're doing it for Windows, it has to be configured just a little bit. And scroll down to step 4, where you want to change the pathways for the dynamic preprocessor and the dynamic engine. And you're going to want to comment out this line right here, then keep scrolling down. You're going to want to comment this line in, then scroll down, and here's the path that you want to give for your blacklist and whitelist. And while you're at it, you can go ahead and make the whitelist. So just open up a new file in Notepad++, name it this, name it white.list, and black dot list, and then save that to your rules folder, and then scroll down more, and in this section you're going to want to change all of the forward slashes to backslashes. You can just do that by hitting Control F, going to replace, then looking for the forward slash. And since I already did that, I don't have to. Let me go. So you're gonna want to do that, and yeah, after you do that part, then this part of the download process is done. Just hit Control S and save that. Alright, so to actually run Snort, you're going to want to open up your command prompt, and you're going to run it as an administrator. And oh, damn it. Start that over again. So to actually run Snort, you're going to want to open up your command prompt and run it as an administrator, and then go to your Snort directory. And the first thing you're going to want to type in is all of the networks that your computer is on. Type in snort-w, and it'll pull up a list of them. And for my computer, I had to use the third network here. So next, we're just going to want to test Snort. So to do that, this is the command here. It's snort-i, and then it's not 4, is it? No, it should be 3. Oops. 3-c, and then the pathway for the config file, and then -t, and it'll start loading up. And since this is only a test, it's not going to actually save any data. It's just making sure that everything is working with the program. Now that the program has finished running and everything is correct, now you can actually run the program, and the command for that is right here. So we're just going to scroll up a little bit. So it's snort-i 3-c, then the path, and instead of t this time, we're going to go -a and then console, and you're going to go ahead and run it. And once it gets to this point, then it'll actually start finding all of the packets that are flowing through the network. And as you can see here, it's a long list. You get TCP and UDP, and then ICMP somewhere around here, just floating around. And yeah, that's how you download Snort, and that's how you use it.
Alright, now that my partner Raf has showed you how to download it and install it and how to use it, let's take a better look of what we're seeing right now. So after using Snort, we get this layout right here, and it's showing you all the packets that's been sent and received up through the network for the past few minutes that we've been running it. Like I said, Snort is a packet tracking, intrusion detecting system. So it'll show you, with the packet, it'll show you the IP addresses from the sender and the receiver,